Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can connect to your Bluetooth earphone to your laptop. Welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your Bluetooth earphone is turned on. Here you can see this is the turn on button on my Bluetooth earphone. So you have to press on it in order to turn it on, just like this. And here you can see a blue button will blink. And you have to now put it on your ear. So after making sure that your Bluetooth earphone is turned on, the next thing that you have to make sure is that your Bluetooth on your laptop is turned on, for which you can go to this icon that you can see right here. It can be your Wi-Fi, volume and battery icons. Here you'll have to click on it from your touchpad or mouse, just like this. And here you can see this is the Bluetooth option that we have to turn on. So in order to turn on, all you have to do is click on it just like this. And here you can see it has now successfully been turned on. Now we're going to click on this arrow right here. So after clicking on it, here you can see all of your previously connected devices in here. And here you can see, since I have earlier connected this Bluetooth earphone to my laptop, it has automatically been connected. So if you have not yet connected your earphone previously, you'll have to scroll down, and under the new devices there will show all of the available Bluetooth devices, and all you have to do is simply just click on the name of your Bluetooth earphone and it will automatically be connected just like this. Here you can see we are now connected to our Bluetooth earphone. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can connect your Bluetooth earphone to your laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.